Alright, so I just got 2K and I wanted to try a face scan. So we just, getting the little pictures, getting the little joints. Yes, sir. Alright, nigger, so after that, I had just getting a light because it was acting dumb. The first time it wasn't working. But look, the last one was acting weird. No Lizzie. I know, no kitty. Alright, so now, we're running the face cam, feel me? Let it load. Facts. Okay, successful. So now we about to move on to the face scan. Alright.
Ronnie 2K! Does this look like me? What the fuck?